Jasmine Helen song. Grabe. Guys, I made the song sobrang we're listening guys to the song na ginawa. The song is lit.
Jolly Babe.
Yeah, by Jolly Babe. Bakit sobrang for Kuya's eyes only.
This is so
If you could visit any fictional world, ano yun? Harry Potter, I want.
Wizarding World and the Marvel Universe.
Alice in Wonderland.
And Star Wars.
Okay. Narnia.
Me too. Putik mud.
Dirty. At wala si John, umuwi ng alis. Ooh, thank you.
Oh my gosh.
Jasmine,
Uy, buwan. Innocent.
si Ate Kai ba yan? Yes po, si Ate Kai.
Ate Kai. Siya yung Ate Kai.
Hello, guys.
Pumila daw.
Umila pa siya.
Natutulog si Jaren right now. Nagpapahinga.
Papahinga si Jaren kasi galing yung Davao. And then,
Happy!
I miss you, Regina. Kamusta ang buhay-buhay, bossing? Okay lang po.
Bossing.
Boss. Alam na naman. Sino kasama niyo? Kai, Rain, Colette, Jake, Gwen,
What?
Nice
Mark, yeah, Jolie, Nito.
Uy, JP. JP, no. Again.
Whoa, Kai, Rain. Fanatics? Ka Kai, Rain, Fanatics? Look, Roxy, thank you to Kyrie.
Thank you, Kyrie.
Thank you,
Let's go,
Kyrie.
homies.
Fanatic.
Oh, homies.
What's up,
Thanks,
homies?
homies.
Again, JP, don't post that. Again. Hey.
I'm gonna go see our guys.
Again, it's so
You
bad.
want to see our?
Say something, then. I don't know. Shout out, Jay Pierce. What up, Jay Pierce? What up, comments? Hello.
What up, what up? Okay, asa sa Where's Colette?
Alam mo yung nakagaling ako noon, nakagaling ako. Nakabayan sa school ko. Hindi ko kaya ng store. Dinubukod yung notice ko. Flash.
Why do you even have that on there? Turn it off. Turn it off. Which one? Like, di ba, every time there's a notif. His,
Yan. Okay.
and he went there like that and there was a girl though. What a creep.
Pa-rate po ng food. Sobrang sarap.
10 out of 10.
Talaga, sobrang muslim nila kami dalawa. I mean, halos kami lahat. Shout out Miss Ash.
10 out of 10.
Hi Mama Joy if you're watching. Hi Echo. Echo, I miss you.
What the hell am I doing here?
Hi Nathan.
I don't belong.
Nakapanta.
Again.
Yes, narinig ko yung song na ginawa for me. Ang ganda. Pinakinggan namin ni Kaya Terrain. Sobrang ganda. Thank you for the ticket. Asan po si JP? JP? Saan ba si JP? JP, kita ka ba?
Mag-answer.
Yan po lahat. Nag-CR po si Kaya. Ay, si Rain. Grabe yung song. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng song. Nung narinig ko, sobrang, kinilig ako.
Walang song.
Sabihan ko si Jaren, kantahin mo song.
Oh, that's nice.
So nice. Like 4 a.m. Kasi bukas na ako nag-aaral.
Dapat lang.
Kasi nawawala yung essence mo. So parang wala na. Lahat nakapokus na po.
Wow, thank you, Prisha Montinola. You're so sweet with all the roses. Thank you for the rose. 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 Thank you for the rose.
Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the
Shout out po sa friend ko si Echo. Hello, Echo.
Hello,
Shout out
Echo.
to you. I miss you, Echo.
Sino sis? Friend mo? Hi, Echo. Hindi ko makita.
Nakita mo na... sige. Shout out po, Ate Joss. I'm 6 months pregnant po. JP, pinaglilihaan po. Since 3 months kami ko.
What does it mean?
Uy, what's your name po?
What does it...
Like, pinaglilihaan niya si JP. Like, parang buti siya si JP. Hinahanap yan. Parang naglihi. JP! An unborn child is looking for you. Pinaglihian ka ng... I don't know her name.
The baby is inside its stomach and it's looking for you already.
It's gonna look like you.
Pinaglihitan siya.
Pinaglihian.
Yeah.
Tinipiyang eh.
Hello.
Yung alam sa bahay. Bro.
Ito magkano po yung akin?
Alin?
Andito sila.
Shout out Monica and Mamoy. My Kyrie song.
There's a fiery song.
stage talaga siya. Kamukha ko yung buka. After yung parang pinagsiya kayo ng buka, no?
Bye! Kain po. Tapos na kayo.
Mag-leave ka na, Fiang.
Bye-bye.
Leave ka na.
Ay, box.
Bye, everybody. Bye-bye. Ikaw, aray na Ina. Asan si Reina? What is my Judy?
Uwi na si Fiang.
Yeah, umuwi na po si Fiang. Sinundo ng kapatid. And cousin. Ay, ayun! Buntis siya. Tapos, shucks, nawala. Shoutout Team No Pills. Malapit na dibong mo. Rain. Oo nga. Shoutout pa. Patrick. Ang klase ng song. Sobrang ganda ng song. What are your thoughts? You heard it?
The jazz song?
Yeah.
Bro, I was surprised. Kasi I've heard of Fiang. I never heard of the jazz song. Ngayon ko lang narinig, bro. What? It's actually a bop. It's actually a bop. It's like a song I would actually listen to.
Oh, you're right. It's
Like,
Nailig ako. Jasmine Helen. Oh, nag-CR. Come here, Julie. Hi, Inomoto. Hi, Althea. Say hi. Hi, Althea.
hi, Althea, and the motorcycle incorporate.
Asan si Rain? Nag-CR. Sino ba? Hey, Jolie. To all the, ano nga ang tawag sa'yo? Smileys.
Smileys na hindi na ako
Smileys.
Kasi yung day lang talaga, alam mo yung day na like, minute kita, yun lang din yung day na nag-design ako mag-vlog. Tapos kung hirap pa lang mag-vlog.
Hirap. Jasmine Helen. Kaut. Excuse muna, guys. Bye.
Ano?
Babounce na kayo?
Bye, everybody. Uy, sabat ah.